Welcome. Let's make a sprite talking and dancing. For this, I'm going to select a sprite. First, I will choose a backdrop. Go to the backdrop and let me select a stage so that our sprite can dance on a stage and speak from the stage. Second, I need a sprite. So go to the sprite and let's search for a sprite, let's say Champ99. So Champ99 is going to talk, is going to sing, and we will also play the music. To play the music, you need to go to additional components. And from here, I'm going to select the music. Let's check what this music are. By using the music, you can play drum, you can play notes, and many more. Let's say the drum. You can change the drum. You can change the bass. And many more. You can also set the notes. You can also set the tempo. Here I am going to use two sets of music. The first is drum. And second one is going to be play the note. You can check it out. Try to use other blocks available in the music section. Now let's do something. I will play the note 60/25. And I will play the drum. Now we have a music set. Next we need a conversion. Whatever we type, we were going to convert the text into the speech. That is the translator. So open the text to speech and try to speak something. Let's say, who let the dog out?
Who lets the dogs out?
So it will play the notes and speak.
Who lets the dogs out?
You can also change the voice too. You can change the tempo to alto, to tenor, whatever you want.
Who lets the dogs out?
So when you click on the notes, it will play all the blocks one by one. If you go with the kittens, you will get a different kind of sound. So this is how you can play the music. You can set the voice to a particular voice character, and you can speak whatever you want. Now let me arrange all of these blocks one by one so that we can play music and we can add some weight and many more. So I'm arranging this. The first what is going to be happen, we will play the notes and then we will set the voice to tenor. After this, we will speak something. It may be poem, it may be song, whatever you want. And then once again, we will play the drum. So we will start the play notes. And then we will set to voice. And then we'll speak something and drum. You can get all this from the music section. And at last, I'm going to play drum once again. So this is our music, and this is how we were going to
Who lets the dogs out?
Champ
Who lets the
to
dogs
play
out?
notes, to speak something, and in the background we will play some sort of noise. Now let's do something more. Let me take the speak and let me write a poem that says, "The Mary had a little lamb." Now when you run it, it will once again do the same. It will play the notes, it will set the voice, it will speak, and then play the drum. Now let me go to the control sections and let me try to repeat all of this block for certain amount of time. And here let me do it for 10 repetition. And after every repetitions, we will going to make a wait for 1 second. And let me run all of this by clicking an event. Before this, let me use whenever the split clicked.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
So as you can see, it is playing.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
Try it by yourself.
Mary had a little lamb.
Now let's do
Mary
something
had a
more
little
interesting. Let me change the costume of my sprite. You can also change
Mary had a little lamb.
the weight,
Mary had a little lamb.
or you didn't want to use a weight.
Mary had a
Try
little
it out
lamb.
without
Mary had a
using
little
the weight.
lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
You,
Mary had a little
you
lamb.
can create your own
Mary
music
had a little lamb.
by selecting drums,
Mary had a little
playing
lamb.
drums.
Mary had a little.
You can also add your recorded sound. Now, let's do something different. Let me change the costume of Champ on each repetition. So I will make a drag and drop of the next costume block and let me run it. You will see
Mary
the
had a
difference.
little lamb. Mary
And
had a
now,
little lamb. Mary had a little
Champ
lamb.
is singing
Mary had a
and
little
changing the
lamb.
costume.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a
This is
little
how
lamb.
you can talk to the world.
Mary had a little lamb. Mary
What
had a
you are
little
going to
lamb.
try? I
Mary
suggest
had a
you
little lamb.
to create
Mary had a little lamb.
a new project
Mary had a little
and
lamb.
try to speak
Mary
something
had a
by
little
changing
lamb.
the costume.